we've spent 3 days in Darwin, just refreshing. We've got the car service, so that's all good to go. We are as far away from home as we could possibly get, so either way we go, we might as well go the way we haven't been to get home, through WA. So we are at Litchfield National Park. We've just been to the Buley Rockhole, which was a swimming hole. We've seen the massive termite mounds, and now we are at the plunge pool. Kim had a bit of fun in the whirlpools.
You can slide down the rocks. There's all these different levels of rock pools that you can go in. It was great.
And I got a new hat, so good times ahead.
We're above the tree trunks.
135 stairs to the bottom, exactly, according to the sign. And then we can go swimming down in there. We're in this swamp and I'm really keen to take a photo or film a blue kookaburra. Now they're not entirely blue, but they're pretty blue, which is really cool, and I never knew they existed until I got into the northern parts of Australia, so hopefully I can capture one on video, not to keep. Free Wi-Fi? Are you kidding? At the waterfall? Swimming area is closed because there's too much water. You could see that the footpath was flooded, but empty.
What's for dinner?
Sweet potato, carrot and corn fritters. So it's got spring onion in it, paprika, butter, red onion, egg, flour, salt and pepper. That's it. And we got quinoa on the side. Got a waterfall in the background.
We do.
Amazing.